What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Epson XP-2200 printer being connected to a device but not printing anything. So we're going to be checking all of the potential problems that might be going on here and hopefully find a solution. Now, the first thing to check guys is to make sure that your printer is working properly and that the printer itself can actually print. Now, to do this, we can just print a copy of something directly from the printer. So to do that guys, we need to have a document on the scanning page. So we will have something here face down on the glass in the bottom corner, as that's where Epson has told us to place it. We're going to close the scanner lid, and guys, we need to make sure we have some paper in the back of the printer, and we just want to press the photocopy button. So guys, this is going to run a copy. It's going to scan our document, and then in a few seconds it will print. Now, if it does print guys, then that means that the problem is more likely to do with the connection between your two devices rather than the printer itself. However, guys, if it doesn't even make a copy, then you may have a printer level problem, which means to check the control panel guys. If you're seeing a lot of flashing buttons, a lot of flashing lights, then you will have something probably more wrong with your printer. Maybe you need to change your ink, something like that. Have a look, do some research as to whether your problems might be more serious, guys. I do have a video down below explaining what all the lights mean, so check that out if you do have a lot of flashing lights, if you try to make a copy. But guys, so let's say that you do manage to make a copy and you are still having problems sending print jobs to your device. Now, the next thing to do is to check your Wi-Fi connection. So the top light here on the Wi-Fi, this means that you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, which hopefully you did via the Epson Smart app or you did via a WPS connection. And guys, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then check the video down below on how to actually connect your Epson printer to the Wi-Fi. If you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, this light will not be a solid green, and it might be flashing or just off. So if the light is off, then guys, you will want to check your Wi-Fi connection, connect your printer to the Wi-Fi, and then things should start flowing smoothly. But guys, if it is connected, then you should check that you are printing from the same Wi-Fi connection as your computer. So guys, check what Wi-Fi you are on your computer. And if you want to double check what Wi-Fi network you are on your printer, then guys, hold down the network information button or press the network information button, and it should print a network report. On this network report, which I'm going to show you an example of now, you will be able to see the Wi-Fi settings. It will be something like that. You should be able to see what Wi-Fi you are connected to, so that you can just check that you're on the same one on your computer. And if you're not, guys, make sure you are, or reset your Wi-Fi connection settings and connect to a new network. And I do have another video down below showing you how to do that. Now, guys, if all of this is, okay, you're connected to the same network, all of these things are working okay, then we should check our computer from where we are printing from. And I'm just going to get mine now to show you what to do. Guys, so as we can see, I have my Windows computer here. We're going to search up printers and scanners on our Windows search to bring us to this page here, where we can see all of our printers. Now, if you don't see your printer here, your XP-2200 printer, then guys, I would suggest checking out the video below where I show you how to install the correct drivers and make sure that your network connection settings are okay. But the next thing you would want to do, guys, is to make sure that your print queue is free, or maybe some things are just getting stuck in the print queue. So the best option, guys, is just to clear the print queue, turn your printer off and on again, and then start again. And to clear the print queue, guys, I'm going to use an example. It's the same kind of printer. You just click on here, click on your printer, press open print queue, and then I have no print jobs going, but if you have some, guys, you can cancel them here. There should be a big button saying cancel. So you can cancel them and then restart your printer, and hopefully things should be working again. But guys, if you do still continue to have problems, then I would suggest maybe taking your printer to Epson, as then something is seriously wrong, unfortunately, with your printer. And it's probably not going to be something that you can fix easily. But guys, that is it for today. Hopefully this video did help. If it did, guys, make sure to help us out by liking and subscribing. That would really, really help us out. And yeah, guys, if you are in the need for any printer supplies, guys, check out the link in the description. We have a sponsor, which is a really good worldwide online printer supply store. They do really good deals on everything. We buy all of our stuff from them. I would highly, highly recommend checking it out, as you would be supporting a small business and you would be supporting us. But thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.